Hello everyone and welcome to Lovella's Coloring. I am going to unbox my 9th set from Felissimo, where we will see which Tokyo Seeds colored pencil set I received next. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I already have it cut open. Ooh, look at these colors. So if these pencils are new to you, these Felissimo colored pencils, I did purchase these sets as a subscription, and that subscription lasts for 25 months, where each month you will receive a set of 20 colored pencils that were put together in a color theme. And once I receive my last set, the subscription ends. So this is the 9th set out of 25. And if you want to hear more about my subscription process, please check out my first unboxing video of these sets, and also check out my second unboxing video where I share a review of these pencils along with like how I swatched them. Wow, so vibrant. And yeah, so you can find those links up above in the icon and down below in the video description. I'll also have the link to the playlist for this whole collection. Just looking at the pencils from outside the case, I'm really loving the vibrant colors. It looks like neon colors, but let's go ahead and rip this open. So in here, you're gonna find the 20 colored pencils in its own case. This is a coloring craft card. There's a different one in each of the sets, so let's see what this one is. So it looks like a card that you can put into an envelope. So you color it in, cut it up, and then stick it into a envelope, and it's like a puzzle. So it says happy, and there are instructions in both Japanese and in English. Yeah, so this is the craft card that comes with this set. I don't know if it's the same one. If you get this set, you get the same card. I'm not sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. So this one is the card where we find out what the name of this set is, and it is called Party. And here is the picture inspiration for the set. So it says for Party, voices carry down the hall while color is made by music. In rooms sprinkled in glitter, singing and dancing is fluid. So this is number 461 to 480. And then in this card, you also have the names and numbers of each of the pencils in the set. And you can also use this as a swatch card, but I make my own swatch card for these pencils. So I'm going to fold it like this. I like to fold it with the name out. So let's take a look at the pencils. Oh my goodness, very, very vibrant. Love it. Can't wait to see colors. So this one, the first one, is Endless Possibility. This one is I'll Be Late. This one is Award Ceremony. Then you have, it's kind of hard to read, Festival Fanatic. Let me here. So this one says She's Fierce. And this one, So Bright, Bittersweet Zing. This one says Birthday Girl. Next one is Bright Fizz. Next one says Lightning Strikes. Lime Yours. That's a cute one. And let's see, this one is Expert Esprit. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This one is Just For You. This one is called Whoop 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 Whoop. This one says Girls Night. Hope you can see it. So this one says Feeling Flurry. This one is Braided Ribbon. Then we have Glowing Eyes. Carnival Flowers. Emerald Nights. And then Ecstatic Haze. Very vibrant set, this party set. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this all sharpened up and in order, and I'll be back in a second. So here we are. I have the pencil set Party all in order by number. So it's from 461 to 480, and I sharpened them all. They are all ready to get swatched. So these pencils, just in case these are new to you, they are square barreled. So the pencil sharpener that I like to use for these pencils is the Doll 133, which has a hole that's big enough to fit these square barrels. Plus it also has rubber grips instead of the metal ones, so it doesn't leave dents on your pencils. And also, in case these pencils are new to you, it has the name right here in the middle of the barrel on one side, and then also the number out of the 500, and it's made in Japan. And then the opposite side, you have 500 colored pencils and Felissimo. So I have the swatch card all ready right over here, and yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started. I'm very excited to see how these colors look. Neon colors, because these look like neon colors, but from other sets, they're not my favorite pencils to use, so I'm very excited to see how these laid down. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I have completed the swatch for Party. It is a neon colored pencil set. So you have 20 neon colors, and you can see that the colors on the swatch matches perfectly to the barrels, and Felissimo is very great at matching the colors on the barrel to the pigments. And I can already tell you that this set is not going to be my favorite, just because I don't color with neon colored pencils. I just struggle with them. I can only layer, I think, 2 layers, and then after that you get wax buildup, or wax bloom, and so you can see it in each, well, a majority of the colors in here. But I love how vibrant they are. It's just the way I like to color, is that I like a smooth lay down of the pigment, and so it's going to be a challenge for me to find an illustration to color with just using this set, but I'm still going to do it. I don't know which illustration yet, but just to give you an example of what I mean about the laydown of the pencils, here is the fruitful swatch, and you can see how smooth it is from the dark color to the lighter shade, and then to see it beside the neon, you can see a lot of the wax buildup. So I'm not a fan of that. So that's probably why I stay away from using neon colors from both the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils and the Holbein colored pencils. I think the only neon colored pencils that I use that I like is from the Erosion 10, but the wax pencils from Holbein and Prisma, I avoid those. So again, I'm just going to challenge myself to try to use this on an illustration, and I'm just gonna have fun trying to color it in. I do want to share how it looks like on black cardstock, so I think this set of pencils would be fun to use on coloring books that have black backgrounds. You can use it to create like stars, or maybe galaxy, a little galaxy area, or fireworks, and you can see how vibrant it is against the black. So I really love it on black backgrounds. Very, very nice. So I don't have a coloring for Sophisticated, which was my last unboxing, because I just did it last week. But as soon as I have any colorings to share of any of the sets that I received, I will show it in a future video. So I hope you guys had fun seeing which set I received from Felissimo, even though it's not my favorite set. It's just me. I'm not a neons colored pencil kind of person, so it's not my favorite type of pencils to use. But again, I am going to challenge myself to color an illustration using this set. So I do have a couple more boxes to unbox, so I hope to get those again out to you guys as soon as I can. So I thank you all so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Please take care and stay safe, and happy colorings, my friends. Bye-bye.